Hello, my name is Chelsea Vipperman, and I am currently pursuing a Master's of Curriculum and Instruction at Grand Canyon University. The last 6 weeks, I have studied the Action Research process. The Action Research process is a 4-stage process that walks educators through evaluating and assessing their current practice with the goal of improving future practice. My original action plan that I proposed dealt with the idea of independent reading and the impact that it has on student growth and achievement. However, after spending the last 6 weeks working on and refining my action plan, I narrowed down my focus to identify the types of independent reading and their individual impact on student growth. The goal of this action research plan is to help differentiate independent reading to help improve individual student growth and achievement and help meet the needs of the individual students. The goal is to take the current practice of independent reading, assess and evaluate it, to refine it and make it the best practice in the future. In this action research plan, the stakeholders will be students, parents, teachers, and also community members, because community members will also benefit from the growth and achievement of students. The teachers will be responsible for administering the practice, and parents are responsible for holding their students accountable for the independent reading that occurs outside of the classroom. There will be 3 different forms of data that will be collected throughout this action research process. The first form of data collection will take the form of reading logs. Students will complete reading logs each week. They will log the type of independent reading that they are participating in. They also have to answer questions and get a parent's signature each day. This holds the students accountable for the independent reading that takes place. In addition to the reading logs, the student test score growth will also be part of the data analysis process. Students will take a pre and post test each quarter that will be graphed, and that will help me see the growth that they have throughout each quarter. Then I will be able to target the types of independent reading that they're doing and assess their growth and achievement from that point forward. And the third form of data assessment that will take place will be more of the qualitative data. This will take place in the form of engagement, surveys, and reflections. The teacher or myself would rate the students' engagement in the classroom, and then students would also have the opportunity to complete a survey and rate their own engagement. This will help tie into the idea of the long-term student achievement. The goal of this